All right, now let's zoom out and see how the Power Commander sits within the Dynojet ecosystem. Dynojet has been in the performance business for decades, and the Power Commander 6 is just one piece of a larger puzzle that includes hardware, software, and accessories designed all to work together. At the center is the PowerCore software suite. This is the software you'll run on your Windows laptop or PC computer on your desk. It's your command center for tuning. In PowerCore, you can open or create new map files, view a two-dimensional table of throttle position and RPM, make adjustments to your speed limits or calibrate your throttle position. It also displays live data from the bike when connected: throttle position, engine speed, gear position, sensor voltages, injector duty cycles, and more. That live data is invaluable for troubleshooting and tuning on the road or on the dyno. Connected to the PC6, you can add numerous accessories. First up, quick shifter. Imagine never having to close the throttle or pull the clutch in when you're accelerating. The quick shifter is a small sensor that you attach to your shift linkage. When you apply pressure to shift up, the sensor sends a signal to the PC6. The PC6 momentarily cuts fuel or ignition just for a few milliseconds, allowing the gears to slide into a place. You set the kill time and the minimum RPM in PowerCore. Racers love this because it shaves time off shifts and keeps the bike stable when accelerating down the straightaways. Next up, auto-tune module. This accessory uses a wideband oxygen sensor that screws into your exhaust. This sensor reads the actual AFR in real time exiting the exhaust. The auto-tune module calculates how far off your current map is from your desired ratio and generates trim values, or small corrections how far you're away from your target. You can allow those trims to be applied automatically or manually incorporate them into your map as you pick and choose. It's like having a portable mini AFR meter that helps monitor and refine your tune while you ride. The map switch. PC6 can store two maps. The map switch is a simple on-off toggle you mount on your handlebars. Flip it one way, map 1 is active. Flip it the other way, map 2 takes over. It's ideal when you want to switch between fuels or riding conditions without connecting to a laptop. For example, run a conservative map during wet weather or wintry conditions and a performance map when conditions are good. Next up, speed input and gear position. Some bikes lack a gear position sensor that the PC6 can read, so we tap into the speed sensor and then calculate which gear you're in. Or if it does have a gear position sensor, we read in that analog voltage and you create your gear-based maps based on those voltages. This allows you to create gear-specific quick shifter times, and it's particularly useful on high horsepower bikes that might need richer fueling in higher gears or under heavy load. Analog input. This is a 0 to 5 volt input designed for custom sensors. Building a turbo kit and want to increase fuel as boost rises? Connect your manifold air pressure or your analog sensor here. Want to pull fuel as engine temperature climbs? Use an analog temperature sensor. PowerCore lets you map the fuel changes against that analog signal. Launch control. Racers can wire in a button that tells the PC6 to limit RPM for a perfect launch every time. When the button is pressed, the PC6 caps RPM at a set limit, and then you release the button for full power to be restored. It's a simple but effective way to avoid wheel spin and bogging at the start line. All of these communicate through the PC6, and PowerCore provides a unified interface to configure them. Dynojet offers a Pod 300 digital display that connects to your PC6, where you can view live data like AFR, throttle position, RPM, right on the handlebars. Also, programmable warning lights and logging are also present on the Pod 300. The key takeaway here is that the PC6 isn't just a box you plug in. It's part of a larger potential system. You can start with just the PC6 alone to just fuel or maybe timing if equipped, and then add a quick shifter, or add the auto-tune device or other modules as your needs grow. Throughout the rest of this course, we'll revisit these accessories and show you how to integrate them to your system. For now, it's enough to know that Dynojet has built an ecosystem designed to work together, giving you a clear upgrade path.